Hello you guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another layout from Confessions of a Paper Addict. Because there was like zero motivation during the end of December after I had missed a couple days of the 20 days of Cutfiles. I only missed two and I did post one late at the end of December, but just because Virginia's awesome and also encourages family time and everything, I have for you here shortly, it'll just be a layout share of one of the other layouts I missed from 20 Days of Cutfiles. It was day 13. The prompt was stars, and I used the Climbing Stars cut file. I cut it twice, but I'll show you that. I used also this Parkland Come Together paper pad, and so the paper I had was this pattern, and then I cut apart other fun fact of these paper pads. You'd think that like these would be together. These would be together. They're not. This pattern had the cut aparts on the back of them. And actually, yeah, see? And according to this, it should be the plaid, but whatever. So I used the background, and then I used tags from the cut apart side of things from this paper pad. I really like the purples and stuff, and it's just neat. And the photo I scrapped wasn't necessarily Christmas per se, so it worked out well. Yeah, none of these are paired together. Anyway, these are great though. I love these paper pads. So here's a clip of me showing off the finished layout. Snowstorm. I had plenty of time to craft, guys. I just couldn't. So I did do this one while I was sitting on the couch watching movies. We just binge watched movies like the whole time. Yeah, super lazy deal, but I finished it up. So what I ended up doing is very similar to the layout for stamping I did, but these are two complete different years, and they're not going to be by each other, and two different cut files. But in a way, too, it's kind of good to show you like a way to get a similar look with different cut files. So if you have one and you want a similar look, you can. So this was my day 20 stamping cut file stamping prompt, and this is my day 11 stars prompt. Oh my, that's coming up. We're gonna put some wet glue into that while we're talking. I'll explain to you what I did on here. So I took some tissue paper and I sprayed it with my Distress Mica Spray brushed pewter so that I had silver stars, as you can see them. They are shiny. So silver stars. And then I did all the stars that were still whole that came out of this cut file. I also sprayed them. So that's what's sprinkled around. And then I just backed it like normal. I popped my photo up on foam. I backed my photo with some of the tissue paper that I sprayed as well. And tucked 3 tags. So on the back of this paper from the paper pad was the cut apart sheet. So I did 3 of the tags. I did that and put some red ribbon in each of them and just tied a knot. I wasn't sure how I wanted to do it, but I figured a knot would be safe and good and work out. So I did a knot, and yeah. And then I just got my November order? Yes, from Colorcast Designs, my November box. And this acrylic piece, Picture Perfect, with stars in the P's, was in there. And I was like, yep. And so this is just my son conked out after all the festivities after Christmas this year in 2016. But I decided to double, just to give it a little more character, a little more something. I double matted, took white cardstock, and then I cut it down a piece of black cardstock, and then cut down this paper and distressed the edges. And then it kind of looks like a blankie, a tattered old blankie. He's all comfy and everything. But I kept it super simple. I've got 2 little acrylic little asterisk stars as well that came in this set, in the little baggie from Colorcast Design. So I added those. But yeah, I didn't do much else, and I kind of like it. It's just a photo of my son sleeping. thought the stars were good. So 2 different ways to do a similar look with 2 different cut files. I like them both. Make sure you go back and see everybody who played. Whoever did this day will be down below. The deals are over. The freebies are gone. You can't get those, but you can still go get some inspiration and check out all the awesome cut files. They're always available in the Etsy shop, so make sure you go get them whenever you feel like you need to, because for me, that's often. So make sure you do that. Thank you again for being a subscriber. I appreciate you, and I hope you guys had a fantastic Merry Christmas, and I hope you have a wonderful New Year. We'll see you next time.